The Yimserk Portable Shower YS-8000 is equipped with a powerful immersion water heater that can swiftly heat up to 5 gallons of water to a comfortable temperature, making it perfect for outdoor activities. Its robust 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures up to 180 minutes of uninterrupted use, and the waterproof USB-C charging port enhances its reliability in wet outdoor conditions. With 5 adjustable water pressure settings ranging from 3 liters per minute to 6 liters per minute, users can enjoy a tailored shower experience, supported by a stable bucket suction design. The smart LCD display provides real-time updates on water temperature and battery life, and the shower offers 4 different spray modes for diverse usage scenarios. This lightweight and portable shower kit includes a comprehensive set of accessories such as a shower head, pump, hose, water heater, thermometer, and carry bag, making it ideal for various outdoor adventures. The Yimserk Portable Shower is designed for versatility, suitable for camping, hiking, car washing, and pet care, and is easy to transport due to its light weight of 0.8 pounds.